Hey, what's up? Today we are going to unbox DJI Mic 2. Let's do it. It's a very nice premium quality leather bag or pouch. Let's unzip it. DJI offers very nice and sturdy charging case inside the pouch. Oh, I love this already. This latch to open the DJI Mic 2 charging case is fantastic. Let's see what do we have here inside the charging case. We get two transmitters, a receiver, and two adapters, a C-type and a lightning type. Let's check the latch mechanism of the charging case. It sounds really good and feel very secure. Let's check the transmitters. DJI offers two magnets which are really strong. .3.5mm headphone jack on each transmitter. Let's check the receiver and turn it on. That's the power button on the receiver. As you can see, both transmitters are connected to the receiver. The solid green represents the connection. That's the recording button on the transmitter. DJI Mic 2 offers 32-bit float internal recording. Internal recording on the receiver is on. Let's see what else is in the pouch. We get two dead cats or windshields to be placed on the transmitters. Well, the dead cat quality is really good. Insert the dead cat windshield into the 3.5mm headphone jack slot of the receiver. And voila, it's a good fit. We get a 3.5mm TRS camera audio cable. And last but not the least, we have a splitter charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. Thanks for watching, guys.